Hi, my name is Layton, and I'm gonna rate these snacks 1 through 10 from the UK. So this is Palm Bear, and I'm gonna see if it's good or not. It's okay, so it's 5. I think it is a 5 to me. It is not salty. This is melon mini chocolate chip, and I'm gonna try one of that. It's
A few moments later.
pretty good. I think it's 3-ish. Don't know. It has chocolate chip also. Wow, it's pretty good. Big. It's hula hoops, cafe, like Adam, really tough. Six. Didn't taste like anything. It's plain, but good. I get this one a 7. This is the ice gems. It has some biscuits at the bottom and ice cream top. My stems, my sweeties. Like this, many different colors, like purple, pink, and yellow. Here's another color. It's not that sweet, but kind of. And I get this 2. These are party rings, they're minis, and the bag looks like this. Here's the other one. Look at this. Fine, but I give this 1. We're gonna do crispy bacon. Frazzles. Alright. Smells like bacon. It looks like a fries, not a bacon. Tasty? It's good. Give it a 9. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Bye. Peace.